For decades, people are warned to avoid eggs because of cholesterol, but modern research from the UK, US, and Europe shows the complete opposite. Eggs are one of the most nutrient-dense foods on the planet, especially for women who struggle with hormone issues, fatigue, craving, or weight loss. So, what actually happens when you eat 3 to 4 eggs daily? Let's break down the science. First, eggs do not raise your bad cholesterol the way old studies claimed. Those studies used outdated methods and misunderstand how dietary cholesterol interacts with blood cholesterol. Today, doctors know that sugar, trans fats, and seed oils cause far more damage than natural cholesterol found in eggs. Hormones become more stable. Eggs contain healthy fats and complete proteins, the exact combination your body uses to build sex hormones. They also help stabilize blood sugar, critical for women with PCOS or insulin resistance. Stable blood sugar equals fewer crashes and better metabolism. Number 2. Your skin, hair, and nail improves. Eggs contain biotin, vitamin A, vitamin E, selenium, and omega-3s. These nutrients directly improve keratin structure, strengthen hair, enhance skin glow, and support nail growth. Many women noticed improved skin texture within 3 weeks. Number 3. You stay full longer. Protein and fat create long-lasting satiety. Study shows that women who eat eggs for breakfast consume fewer calories throughout the day because their appetite hormones stay balanced. This makes eggs ideal for fat loss. Number 4. They do not raise bad cholesterol. Most people are shocked to learn that dietary cholesterol does not correlate strongly with blood cholesterol. Instead, inflammation, stress, processed foods, and a lack of fiber increases LDL cholesterol. Eggs raise HDL, the good cholesterol, which protects the heart. Number 5. Brain function improves. Eggs are the richest natural source of choline, the nutrients essential for memory, focus, and mood regulation. Most UK and US adults do not get enough choline. Eating eggs daily supports brain health, reduces brain fog, and may even protect against long-term cognitive decline. Number 6. Muscle recovery improves. Eggs are rich in leucine, a key amino acid for muscle repair. This helps active women, older adults, and those trying to build strength. Number 7. Who should avoid daily eggs? A small percentage of people may have allergies or sensitivities, and egg fries on seed oils lose many benefits. The healthiest preparation is boiled, poached, or lightly cooked in butter or olive oil. Eating 3 to 4 eggs daily can support hormones, metabolism, brain health, and weight management. As long as the rest of your diet is balanced, real food like eggs are not the problem. The problem is ultra-processed foods and unstable blood sugar. When eaten correctly, eggs are one of the most foods you can include in your day.